Hi, I'm Sal from Squirrel Innovations. I'd like to give you some idea of what goes into making our Sure4 manual actuators and our tank levers, and a little view of the KBC delete wire harness and hole cover kit too. All of our parts are made of powder coated aluminum and stainless steel. Then the powder coated parts are stamped with our logo. These are the parts for our Brute Force Prairie Ultimate and Tank Lever Sure4 kits. This will give you some idea of what goes on inside of these parts. This is our tank lever with its switches and its clasps and its wires, etc., etc. And then this is our Sure4 manual actuator with its block and the stainless steel shafts and the springs. And this is the cover for the Sure4. And this is our KBC delete wire harness and hole cover kit. A lot goes into these things. They're all custom made, CNC machined, and it's very time consuming, and then they're all assembled here in our assembly room. So now you have some idea of what goes into making these things, and we hope you enjoy them. We think you do. We just ask you to ride safe and have a good time. Thanks for listening.